Justice Chronicles. Justice's Chronicles. Earlier I saw some turkeys and deer in a scuffle over there. Anyway, Justice's Chronicles here. Last night I didn't sleep very good because the wind was blowing like hurricane force. No lie. Look at that. I'm gonna use that for something. It just washed up in my yard last night. Get situated here. Just went to my morning class. It was really good. The tiger shark piece is almost done. I've been working really hard on it. I was in the studio last night for like 5 hours. But I like it. You know, it's worth it. That's like what we're meant to do in life. We're meant to like leave an impression. Times are tight. But you know, I've been here before. Money is just a thing to help you survive, basically. You know, other things matter way more. I'm alive. And I'm having a great time in the high country, you know. So what more is there to say? Honestly, critique is tomorrow. It'll be great. I like everybody else's work too. It's not just my own work. I want to see other people get better. You know, that's like what it comes down to, is pushing yourself, so they say. Justice's Chronicles, signing off. February 13, 2019. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so that'll be good. Justice's Chronicles signing off.